Hi, hello, and what's up, guys? Welcome back to PopItDk. Thanks for showing your love in the last few videos that we have made, and today we are here with one more brand new trick. So, I believe almost all of the viewers love Netflix, Hotstar, Amazon Prime, YouTube, and everything. So, today we have brought a technique where we can watch these platforms' videos, let's say Netflix, Amazon, or anything together. So, basically, what I'm trying to say is how to watch Netflix, Hotstar, YouTube, and anything together with our friends when they are not with us. That means two persons sitting in two different locations, how can they watch the same show, the same movie, or anything that they want? So basically there comes two things that we need to know. One is for mobile device and one is for laptop or desktop, whatever you say. So let's see how we can do it.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
For this you need to come to your Chrome browser, and here I have opened two Chrome browsers. You can see user 1 and user 2. Basically I'll be treating as person 1 and person 2. So what you need to do is you need to download an extension called the Teleparty extension. I have already downloaded the extension. I'll still show you. Yeah, this is the extension called the Teleparty, and this is how the extension looks like. This is basically was made previously for Netflix. Now other platform also use it. So here it is showing remove from Chrome because I have already downloaded it, and at the same time you have to make sure that the other user basically have also installed this particular extension. Here you can see I have installed in both the browsers. Now what I'll do is I'll come to this extension quickly, and here you can see my email address is mentioned. I have already signed in this one and in this one as well. So what I'll be showing today is, let's say I'll show you YouTube. There are other platforms as well which you can give it a try. I'll open YouTube here, and after opening YouTube, let me play this video from our channel. And after playing this video, what we'll need to do is we need to share the party link with the other user. So how I can do it? I'll pause the video here. I'll come to this Teleparty option. I'll click on only I have a control. That means only I will be able to stop the video, start the video, and I can forward it, backward it, and do whatever I feel like. So let's say I'll click on start the party. So basically this is the party is getting started. So once the party is started, you need to share the party URL and you need to share it with the other user. Okay, let me share with the other user. Let's say this user is in some other location. I have shared the link via WhatsApp, and the user is trying to join the party. Anyone with the link can join the party. So once the user have joined the party, what you need to do is, you can see there is an option here for chatting. So here you can mention anything and the other user on the other side will also be able to see it. So let's say here I'll mention like hey buddy. See, I have mentioned here hey buddy, and the other user here also got the hey buddy. Now let me start the video from the very beginning. Yes, let me start it. Okay, so here you can see for this user also the video have started, and it's perfectly sync. Both of them are in the same place. And let's say this user need to go somewhere. Buddy, stop. And here the user got the notification that somebody is going somewhere. Okay, I need to stop. Here it stopped, and here also I can see that it is stopped at the very same place. So it is perfectly sync, and there are other features as well, like you can jump to a particular section and other features which you can browse and check yourself. So basically this is how you can synchronize everything, and you can make sure that the other person on the other end is also in the same place. You can try out other features, like if I forward it and play it from here, on the other end also it should be the same. Yes, it is perfectly sync. So this is how you can watch movies and anything together with your friends when both of you are in different place and you are using a laptop or a desktop. Now next we'll move and see how we can do the same thing on a mobile using a different method. For mobile, what you need to do is you need to come to Play Store and you need to search for an application called Rave, R-A-V-E, and this is the one, Rave Watch Party, this one with the black logo, and you need to click on open after installing it. And after installing it, you will see the portal will be somewhat like this. You need to click on the plus button right at the bottom, and after clicking on the plus button, you will see the different platforms names will pop up like YouTube, Netflix, Prime, Drive, then other history and all. So what you need to do is you need to simply click on the platform that you want. I'll choose YouTube here, and after opening YouTube, you can choose any video. Let's say I'll also look for our channel PopItDk, and here let me open this video. And after opening this video, the procedure will be same like the one that we have done in laptop. We need to share the URL with the other person. Basically the person on the other end also needs to have this application. So the person should have the application, and you just need to click on the share option here, and you can share the URL. Once the person on the other end joins this URL, you will find an option here called somebody has joined it. So once they have joined it, you can simply watch it here, and the person on the other end will also be on the same page. So this is how you can watch the same movies or same videos or same things in the mobile as well. So that was how you can watch your favorite shows with your loved ones even when they are far apart. I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to hit on the like and the subscribe button, and please stay in touch because we love making these kinds of videos that will make your daily life easy. Bye bye, see you and take care.